Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Books channel. In this video, let's learn a few interesting facts about houseflies. Houseflies are relatively young insects in the world. As an order, true flies are ancient creatures that appeared on Earth during the Permian period over 250 million years ago, but houseflies seem to be relatively young compared to their dipterian cousins. Several species have similar genes like humans. Species such as fruit fly have similar genes like a human but only have 4 chromosomes. This is why this species is popular in laboratories for the purpose of reproduction. They have only one pair of wings. Houseflies have only one set of membranous wings, unlike other insects. Their second set of wings, which is reduced, is mainly used for balance while they fly. They don't have teeth. Instead of teeth, flies have a long tongue which they use to suck in their food. Some species of flies prefer drinking blood or nectar while houseflies prefer human food. Do you know? Flies vomit on food when they rest on it, and the acid present breaks it down, makes it easier for the fly to suck while resting. Fruit flies are found in unsanitary conditions like garbage dumps and trash cans. When they are around, humans can become very sick. Prevention. Keep your home clean. Remove kitchen trash every day and keep kitchen counters clean. Immediately remove rotting food from your home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe.